The traditional 9-to-5 path, once considered the gold standard for achieving financial security, is fading fast in today's rapidly evolving world. The landscape of work is changing, and with it, the old rules no longer apply. For many, especially veterans transitioning back into civilian life can often feel like trading one rigid, highly structured system for another, leaving them yearning for the autonomy they once knew. The real goal, the ultimate aspiration, financial freedom, a state where your time and your income are truly, unequivocally yours, allowing you to dictate the terms of your life. Automated online businesses, intelligently powered by the latest advancements in AI, are increasingly making this dream a tangible possibility for individuals from all walks of life. Imagine a business system meticulously designed to generate earnings for you around the clock, 24/7, continuing to work diligently even while you sleep soundly, allowing you to spend quality time with your family, creating precious memories that last a lifetime. The power of AI tools is now readily accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection, letting you build and manage a self-running business with minimal intervention. All from the comfort of your laptop and often with surprisingly minimal startup capital. The skills honed in the military, discipline, strategic thinking, and unwavering resilience are exceptionally well suited for the dynamic world of digital entrepreneurship. The core mission is to create sustainable, reliable passive income streams that provide long-term financial security, empowering you to focus on living life truly on your own terms, pursuing your passions, and making a meaningful impact. This isn't about chasing fleeting riches or getting rich quick through unsustainable means. It's about achieving genuine freedom through smart, strategic, and sustainable business practices. You don't necessarily need an MBA to achieve significant success in the business world. What truly matters most is unwavering discipline and flawless execution. These are the cornerstones of any successful venture. Military training provides you with a distinct and powerful edge. You learn to meticulously follow plans, adapt swiftly and effectively under pressure, and you're instilled with the resilience to never quit or give up at the first sign of a hurdle. Business, at its core, is about strategically solving complex challenges, mirroring the dynamics and demands you've experienced in the field. Your military experience equips you to quickly and accurately assess situations, set clear and achievable objectives, and adapt your strategies effectively when circumstances inevitably change. This inherent adaptability becomes your secret weapon, especially in the rapidly evolving and often unpredictable digital marketplace. While others freeze in the face of uncertainty, you have the ability to pivot swiftly, learn from your experiences, and continuously improve your approach. Consider your military service as the ultimate intensive entrepreneurial boot camp preparing you for success. Building a thriving online business is simply a new mission, but the underlying principles remain fundamentally the same. A strong structure, unwavering persistence, and the ability to execute plans effectively. The AI Freedom Launchpad is specifically designed to help you seamlessly translate your valuable military skills into tangible business success. With your background, you're definitely not starting from scratch. You're leveraging a significant head start and a distinct competitive advantage, positioning you for success right from the outset. An automated business means a smarter business. Technology works for you, not the other way around, freeing up your time and resources. AI acts as your virtual team, handling marketing, customer service, and operations 24/7. AI writes emails, personalizes campaigns, and schedules them for maximum impact and optimal delivery. Chatbots answer most customer questions instantly, freeing you from your inbox. For e-commerce, AI finds profitable products, creates listings, and manages inventory with ease. AI analyzes your data in real time, optimizing for profit. From content creation to traffic generation, AI automates it all. The result? A self-running system that generates leads and sales with minimal effort. You don't have to do this alone. Remember, transitioning to civilian life doesn't mean you're without a team. Community and mentorship are key. Finding the right guidance and support network can make all the difference in your journey. The AI Freedom Launchpad connects you with fellow veterans who understand your unique experiences and challenges. It also connects you with experienced mentors for personalized support and accountability, ensuring you stay on track toward your goals. Training is beginner-friendly, designed to bring everyone up to speed, regardless of their prior tech experience. We're breaking down complex AI tools into simple, actionable steps, so you can quickly apply them to your business. You get a clear blueprint, not guesswork. A structured path to follow, eliminating the confusion and uncertainty. Setbacks will happen. They are an inevitable part of any entrepreneurial journey. But your military mindset, forged in the face of adversity, turns them into valuable learning opportunities. Resilience makes your business stronger, not weaker. Each challenge overcome builds a more robust foundation for future success. This is about more than money. It's about creating a life of purpose and fulfillment. It's about engineering your own freedom, designing a life where you are in control. Combine your existing skills, the discipline and leadership you've honed with the power of AI automation to create something truly extraordinary. Leverage community support to build true independence, a business that supports your life, not the other way around. Take control of your time, set your own hours, and work when you're most productive. Location, work from anywhere in the world, on your own terms. And financial future. Build wealth and security for yourself and your family. The tools are here, waiting for you to harness their potential. The path is clear, a proven system designed for your success. Your mission, build your legacy. Create a lasting impact that extends far beyond yourself.